business. You might have thought about this for long. And so, number one step that I'm going to give you today, that I'm going to tell you on how to start a business. If you have decided that, yes, I want to go into dry cleaning business, then it means you have decided what you want to do. And that is what I mean. Decide, what do you want to start? So if you have decided that, yes, I want to go into washing and dry cleaning business, are you getting it? Insofar you have decided that this is what I want to do, the next thing that follows is write a business plan. Are you getting it? That dry cleaning business you have decided to start. The next step that follows is to write your business plan. I have talked about how to write a business plan and the various stages in business plan. Then the various steps that you will follow one after the other with example. Are you getting it? Because a business plan is a road map, a direction pathway. Are you getting it? A business plan is a critical idea that leads you to achieve your success, to achieve the purpose of that business. Are you getting it? That is what I mean by business plan. Are you getting it? That is the next step. And I have said before now that a good business plan, a standard, a solid business plan, if you want to write your business plan, you must follow these 9 standards that I'm going to mention. Then we talked about the executive summary. 2, then we talked about the target market. Let me deviate a little bit. I have told you times without number that if you want to achieve a success, there are 3 methods, 3 ways, 3 steps that you will need to follow to achieve success in your business. And so, 1, you must set your target. And it is your target. Once you have set that target, it is that target that will give you, are you getting it? The direction, the footway to follow, the road you will follow to achieve the target you have set. Are you getting it? And so the 3rd step that follow is the associate. And I told you in business, when you set a target to achieve a success, you must get the pathway, which is the direction. And the associate that I'm talking about are your customers that will consume the product. Are you getting it? That you have made. And that is the reason why I'm telling you that the number 2 standard of a business plan is target market. Because all your customers, the final consumer, from the manufacturer to the final consumer, they are all in the market. And so you must decide to create a market for your product, and you must decide to get customers that will consume that product, because only you cannot be the producer of the product and be the final consumer of the product. The answer is no. And so to come back home, I said how to start a business. Number 2 step that I have said is write that business plan, because you have decided the kind of business that you want to do. And so that now leads me to that You have a 9 standard part of a business plan. Well, I said the executive summary and the target what? Market. Then we talked about the third standard is product and service. Your product and service, you must talk about them in that your template of business what? Plan. Are you getting it? Then we equally talked about as number 4, market. Are you getting it? Market and sales team. Market and sales team. Then we talked about the 5th standard. We talked about the milestones and the metrics. From there, we talked about the company overview. Then we talked about, are you getting it? The management team, your financial plan. Then the 9 parts, a standard one for that matter, is the appendix. I just mentioned them so that you can get what I am talking about. And so, how to start a business. Number 3 step, you must validate your ideas through market research. The idea you have net from the beginning that gives you the opportunity on what to do. You must validate that idea through market research to know your own share of the market. Who are your customers in the market? Or is your product will be acceptable in the market? Are you getting it? These are the various steps on how to start a business. Number 4 is for you to set up your business website. Are you getting it? Assuming now that there is no Google, there is no YouTube, there is no Facebook, there is no WhatsApp, all these popular social platform that gives you the opportunity, that allows the platform to promote your business, to get to your customers all over the world, assuming they are not available. Then what are you going to do? With your business being within your locality, that is the next question you need to do, or to ask yourself. And so you must build your website. Your website is an online website where you can advertise, talk about your product and services. Are you getting it? That is number 4 step on how to start a business. Then number 5 step on how to start a business, you must endeavor to set up your business books or accounting books. Let me tell you, there is no business organization or no business sector that does not need, funding, assistance. Are you getting it? And for you to approach the commercial banks or the microfinance bank or other institutions, financial institutions, they will need to assess your accounting books, your business books, whether they are properly kept or not. And so you must endeavor to set up your business books and accounting books that will tell about how viable and vibrant the business is doing, whether the business will be able to survive the test of time. Are you getting it? And so your business books and accounting books must be properly kept. All the information that concerns the business must be documented. You must practice what I call holistic system management. Are you getting it? To be able to assess whatever thing that is coming in as revenue or income, and whatever thing that is going out as an expert, so that at the end of the quarter or at the end of the year, you will now know that yes, the business is doing well, the business is viable, we were able to make returns on our investment. Are you getting it? And so, how to start a business? Are you getting it? Now, the number the number 6 step on how to start a business is to build your marketing and sales team. To build your marketing and sales team. I have told you the difference between marketing and sales. I told you that marketing is like an intangible product, and marketing announces to crowds of people. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? But sales deals with one-on-one, deals with the customers directly. And sales is like tangible products because they have that interaction personally, one-on-one, with those interested to get the product, which are the customers. And so you must build up your marketing and sales team. Are you getting it? Then, number 8 step on how to start a business: get your business visible. Get your business visible. How do you get your business visible? That is another topic for another day. People must have to know that yes, this is the kind of business that you are doing. This is the kind of product you are offering. This is the kind of service that you are offering. People must be aware. You must create an awareness about the business. The mission statement and the vision statement of the business must be announced. Are you getting it? And that is the reason why marketing research is critical to business development. Are you getting it? Then the last step on how to grow, to start your business, is to grow your team, your management team, to grow the business. Grow your management team to grow the business. That is the last step. If you can follow this one after the other, you will find out that in the first quarter of you starting the business, you will be recording success. And the second quarter of you starting the business, you will be recording success. And so, my student, you must endeavor to follow all these steps, one after the other. By the time you are done with this, you will find out that you have set a smart goal for yourself that will make the business to achieve his desire. Are you getting it? And so, my students and my viewers, be proactive and be active in anything you are doing. And that will make you to achieve success. Please, my viewers and my followers, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Do and drop a comment below for me, or call me below. Hit that notification bell for every of my videos, every of my topic that I'm sharing with my students. You will now benefit from them. Are you getting it? So please endeavor to equally give me a thumbs up